Hey, how's it going, everybody? We're here with the Suzuki GS850G. Have a little issue with the bike, so it's not running properly. One of the cylinders not firing. 4-cylinder bike. We have 1, 2, and 4 firing, but 3 has been giving us some issues. So we're just gonna go ahead and take all the exhausts off, the pipes, give them a clean, and then put them back on and see what happens. So first I want to loosen up those bolts, some WD-40 on there. So now we'll just wait a little bit and get ready to loosen up those bolts. Seems like 13 is slightly big, so we'll try to So in addition to these connecting the exhaust to the cylinder, we're gonna also have to loosen some up. All right, on the side. So we have one right here, hold it on, and on the other side as well.